of making palada is to make ada using this raw rice. This is raw rice without removing the rice bran. And this is 1 teaspoon of sugar, and we need 1 teaspoon of ghee for making this ada. So first we need to wash this raw rice and soak it for at least 10 hours. The rice is soaked well. Now we have to drain out this water completely. So water in the rice is drained out completely. Next we want to grind it in the mixture. So we can transfer this rice into this mixture. Next we want to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is to get a slight sweetness for this ada. And 1 teaspoon of ghee to this. We are adding this ghee because we are making this ada in banana leaf. So this ada may get stick to that leaf. To avoid that stickness, we are using this ghee. We can add 1 teaspoon of ghee to this. We can grind it into a paste with a flowing consistency. We can add water as needed. Don't add too much water. We want to add 2 teaspoons of water to this to get a flowing foam. This foam is that we need. We need this in a flowing consistency. We can transfer it into a bowl. We have to make ada in banana leaves. So first we dry the leaves to avoid the break when we fold it. We have cut the leaves into square pieces as shown and let it dry. We can also dry the leaves in sunlight. Now we can keep water to boil. We have to cook ada in this boiling water. Always remember that we put those leaves containing batter into boiling water only. We can start our making of ada. Next we are going to pour this batter into these leaves. We take the outer side of the leaf. We not pour this batter into the inner side because it sticks to this inner side. So we take the outer side of the leaf and we pour this batter over this outer side. We can also use piping bags to pour this, but here I use my hands. We must take this and pour it over the leaves like this. Then we must fold it. Must press it. The same process is repeated. Pour the batter on the outer side of the leaves and then fold it. We can tie all these three using this banana leaf itself. We poured the batter into this banana leaves and folded it, and now we tied it. Next we want to put this into the boiling water. Remember, always we want to put only this into the boiling water. The water boils, so we can now put our leaves into this boiling water. Wait till the ada is cooked. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's 15 minutes over. Now we can off the flame. We can transfer this from to cold water. We take some cold water and we can transfer the ada into this cold water. Wait until the ada cool down completely. Ada is completely cooled down, and now we can open it, and then we want to wash it in the water. We can open this. We can put this ada into the water. So this is the ada that we have to use for our palada payasam. I had washed it 2 times after taking it from the banana leaves. We must keep it in cold water and drain the water just before putting it into the milk. We can start making palada. For this I am taking 2 liters of milk and our ada. I had cut it into small pieces. For palada we need small pieces of ada, so I had cut it into small pieces. And sugar. We can add sugar as our wish. If we need more sweetness, we can add more sugar. Here I add almost 1/3 cup of sugar from this. So we can start making our payasam. We use uruli, a traditional cookware of Kerala, to make the payasam, and we are cooking using the firewoods. These two are the 2 tips of making a perfect payasam with the perfect taste. First we add a glass of water into this and then we pour the milk. It is not shown here, but you have to do the same. Stir the milk occasionally. Allow it to boil. Now this milk is not thick. After boiling for a little time, the milk started to get thickened. At this stage we add ada to it. Then ada must get cooked in the milk. It's already cooked, but it must absorb the milk content, so we allow a time for it. Now the milk starts boiling. Allow it to boil so that its water content is reduced and the milk starts get thickened. Stir it occasionally. Now the milk starts thickening. Its color is slightly changed to yellow and its volume is reduced. Now it is time to add ada to it. Drain water completely from ada and add it into the milk. While adding, squeeze it with your hands slightly to drain the water content left in it. After adding ada, we have to stir it continuously, otherwise, it may stick to the bottom. Also, milk gets more thickened and it can also get sticked and burned at the bottom. So, stir continuously and slowly. The color of the milk changes to light pink color. The milk gets more thickened and we can add sugar into it. It's the stage of adding sugar. Here I add 1 by 3 cup of sugar. It's a sweet dish, but adding sugar depends on our interest. And add sugar little by little. Let it get mixed with the milk slowly. You can check the sweetness, and if you need more, you can add more sugar. Now it's time to take it from the flame. The payasam is almost ready. The color changed to pink and ada gets completely cooked with the milk. The time to take it from the flame can be checked by checking the thickness of the milk. The spatula, draw a line. If the milk doesn't rejoins, it is the perfect time to take it from the flame. So our payasam is ready. After taking away from the flame, we have to keep it for 5 minutes in the uruli. It's time for getting cooked in it. It is another important step. Later we can transfer it into another bowl.